Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Moonriver again. Daily update. It was needed because yesterday, or I think it was yesterday, I'm not sure, but I think no, actually today we got some news that we got a Binance listing, and no, not a regular Binance listing, but a Binance futures listing, and that does complicate things because a Binance listing is just bullish. That's just what it is. But a Binance perpetual futures listing is always a little bit, more difficult to interpret what that's going to do. It could be very bullish. It will definitely bring volatility. I've seen a lot of these Binance listings in the past. I mean, if you just scroll down a bit, you can see Ace got some big volatility. Auction did great. Rats did great. Sats did amazing. So there's definitely still possibilities here. And that's also why I wanted to make an update today, because I do think a big rally is still possible. But it's in general, look, a Binance listing like this, it's great, but it doesn't really mean anything. It could still go both ways. All right, so let's talk about it. Let's do, I'll tell you what you need to know. I'll tell you what I'm looking out for, because personally, I'm also still looking for trades on Moonriver. So that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. I hope you had a great Christmas, by the way, if you were celebrating. Moonriver right now, if you look at it, I mean, if you look at these numbers, what you'll see is that we had a ton of momentum this weekend. And that since then, the momentum has kind of been lost. Yesterday, the price, look, we got some volatility, but overall the price just consolidated here between the big support we have, between 26.5 and 30. That's the main support we have. And then the main resistance, which is right here between 36 and 34. We've just been consolidating between that. And honestly, it's waiting for a bullish breakout. Because right now, the momentum is still very, very high if you compare to last week. But if you compare this momentum with the momentum we had during the rally, it's nothing. So there the Binance futures listings comes in. And that actually does make me a little bit bullish. I mean, like I said, if you look at all of those futures listings over the last couple of weeks, most of them have actually been bullish. Ace a little bit less, but Ace was also a launch pool project, so that's different. But then like I said, Auction, Rats, Sats, GTO, they all rallied quite a bit. All right. So therefore, I think it's most likely, look, it's just waiting. It's just waiting for either a breakout below $30, which would be bearish. So then we'll probably drop down to 26 and 22.5, or a bullish breakout below $36, which would probably cause a rally up to 46 and then 50. But because of this Binance listing and because most of the time these rallies actually do continue, I would say it's most likely we'll get that bullish breakout. And that's a risky thing to say. But honestly, I mean, this is also what I'm looking for in a trade. All right. I mean, this is just a strong level. Maybe you should wait for a little bit higher. So maybe for like 37.5 to break or 37 to break before entering. But no, like I said, I mean, we're going to get a breakout, and then you have to choose which one do you think is most likely. I wouldn't take a trade right now, but I think it's most likely. Look, in these videos, I just have to tell you what I think is most likely. That's just what I found out to be true. People need to hear what I think, and that's what I think. But it's most important that I will not take a trade right now before getting one of those breakouts. All right, so wait for that. Know that you have to wait for that, but those are my thoughts. So don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you want to know when I'm entering, for example. But in general, those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.